started decreasing my total views, at only 50 views. YouTube also can digest those things and also can share to others. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Silent Moon, and today's video is all about why I have deleted my previous channel and also what I have learned from that, what I'm gonna apply for this new one. So let's just get started. So without wasting a single moment, let's just directly get to the point that why I have deleted my channel or what was the reason behind it. So actually there is a story. I randomly created my new channel because that time I shifted out of my hometown and I was just randomly, scrolling those YouTube and something triggered on my mind and just uploaded one video. It was a shorts video. So at that time I was not knowing anything about YouTube. I just randomly uploaded that one days after passed, but after that also it was having only 50 views. And then was going very slowly. So at the point of time, YouTube just automatically started decreasing my total views. There time I'm uploading one shorts. It actually got some 500 views randomly. But after one day when I'm checking that analytics, it actually came to the 300 views. Like suddenly. Main reason is I was very inconsistent. Second reason that I have not checked YouTube algorithm. So I have not even applied for those, and also I was not knowing the proper way of uploading any shorts or videos. This three is main, and also time matters, like when you are uploading your videos. We always need to check this. Our audience engagement is really on peak on which type. So that time only we need to upload our videos. That this is the main criteria. For new YouTubers who are actually uploading shorts. So for them, I will really suggest that you should choose one song which is actually viral or which is on trending. So if you uploading any shorts with that viral or trending song, it will get a huge view. Also, when you are uploading, you need to explore your videos because people are actually exploring here. People are actually having entertainment here. This is the platform of entertainment. So if you are uploading only one kind of video, that is very boring for all of us. So people will also not stay for this type of video. They will definitely swipe it away. And you need to be very much consistent because if you are a new YouTuber, you are actually uploading only 2 or 3 video like me, what I have done uploaded previously. Don't do this. You also need to give YouTube where you have just started newly so that YouTube also can digest those things and also can share to others. I would say that you must upload at least 2 to 3 videos weekly, because there are no such rule also that how many videos you need to upload or something. Because you are a new YouTuber, I think that will be the main, so that you can have new viewers engagement. Lastly, you need to check what is the audience engagement time for your channel, and for that you can use analytics. This also varies based on weekdays or weekend or week off. So for this you can really use analytics, but usually people get time at the time of evening between it's 7 to 9 only. If I do a summary of my whole video, that is that you need to be consistent, you need to check YouTube algorithm, also you need to check your YouTube analytics for your audience engagement, and also the time when you are uploading. So this all what I wanted to share with you. Please let me know in the comments so that I will come up with more such of videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next video. Bye.